74. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me today. And if you did, go thumbs up on it. Hit that thumbs up button. When you do that, it brings people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also do me a favor. Hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Friday, December the 6th, 2024. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.